La buona mattina e gli studenti benvenuti alla lezione italiana 54. Adesso sono le 11:32. Scriva i problemi di matematica seguenti. Una domanda: quanto fa 147 per 56 fa 8232. Una domanda: quanto fa 173 per 48 fa 8304. Una domanda: quanto fa 241 per 34 fa 8194. Una domanda: quanto fa 329 per 27 fa 8883. Una domanda: quanto fa 423 per 19 fa 8037. Una domanda: quanto fa 487 per 18 fa 8766. And now for some new parole di vocabulario. The first word is bronzo, which means bronze. Marito, which means husband. Moglie, which means wife. 8,000, which means 8,000. And 9,000, which means 9,000. Now, in several lessons, I have been talking about the article the being matched up with masculine and feminine nouns. Keep in mind that in Italian, there are masculine nouns, feminine nouns, singular nouns, and plural nouns. Okay? You have to take all four of these into consideration when you're matching the article the with the noun. Okay? Now, the first four I'm going to present are singular. Okay? One of them is female, the other three are male. The first one I'm going to present is masculine, male. Okay, this is il, and it's the, and it's masculine. The second one is female, and it's la. Okay. Now, la is matched with female nouns, and it doesn't matter whether they start with a consonant, whether they start with a vowel, as long as that female noun is singular, la is what you use. Now, what happens if a masculine noun starts with a vowel, and vowels being A, E, I, O, and U? Okay. What happens if a masculine noun starts with one of those vowels? In other words, the first letter of the masculine noun is one of those vowels. Then you're going to use L apostrophe. Now then, what if your masculine noun is a consonant, however, that consonant is Z or S plus another consonant? Now, what do I mean by S plus another consonant? Well, like studente, okay? S plus T. Starts with the letter S, but it follows by the letter T. So studenti qualifies. Then you'll use lo, okay? Z plus or S plus consonant. Now, what happens if the noun you're using is plural rather than singular? Okay? Lei if it's female. Lei if it's female. La sedia, le sedie. La sedia, le sedie. Now, what happens if the noun is masculine and it's plural? Most of the time you're going to use E. Okay? So, you'll have l'orologio or e orologi. L'orologio or e orologi. L'orologio is 1 clock. E or low G is more than one clock. Now, what happens if you have a masculine noun, it's plural, but it starts with the letter Z or S plus a consonant? Just like lo zio is singular, well then you'll have li z, which is plural. So lo zio is one uncle, li z is more than one uncle. Okay? Now, let's use a different example here. You have studente, which is one student. Okay? So you would say lo studente, li studenti. Okay? Let me say that one more time. Lo studente, li studenti. Okay. All right. Ascolti e ripeta. In casa mia ci sono 6 sedie, 3 telefoni, 20 finestre, 2 cassettoni, 4 lampade e 7 mensole. Dove il professoressa? Let me say that again. Dove il... Oh, no. Dove la professoressa? Dove la professoressa? Mia moglie ha 3 camicette bianco, 2 camicette rosa, una camicetta verde, 7 abiti da donna. Let me say that again. 7 abiti da donna corti. Why was it corti? Because abito is a masculine noun, despite the fact that we're talking about a female dress. Okay. 7 abiti da donna lunghi, 7 gonne corte, 7 gonne lunghe e 3 cappelle in suo armadio e muro. La statua è davanti alla scuola. Il ristorante è davanti al negozio. Il segretario va in ufficio piccolo in tassi giallo. In scatola ci sono 5 penne, 6 matite e carta. Questa chiave è gialla. Lui è il professore. Il quadro lungo è sul muro bianco. La tenda di finestra è davanti alla finestra grande. Dov'è la zia mia? La statua grande è bronze. Now keep in mind that bronze, because it's bronze, it can also be used as an adjective to describe the color of the statue. Lo zio ha 3 figli. Questo è marito mio. Questa è moglie mia. Now we carry on. Scriva I problemi di matematica seguenti. Una domanda: quanto fa 167 per 56? Una domanda: quanto fa 249 per 38? Una domanda: quanto fa 328 per 28? Una domanda, quanto fa 279 per 34? Una domanda, quanto fa 426 per 23? Una domanda, quanto fa 126 per 76? You know what to do. I'll tell you more in the next lesson. Stay tuned.